Now let us discuss about the sampling funnel, which is extremely relevant. Practically, we would never get access to the complete population to perform the analysis. For example, if Apple CEO walks up to you and says, hey, do a quick survey of all the iPhone 6s users and let me know on what are the positive features which people are happy about and what are the features which people are unhappy about, the negative features. If you were to do this, you should not go after the entire iPhone 6s user universe. That means iPhone 6s users might be spread across the globe. If you go and contact each and every person, it would be overwhelming, and by the time you complete your analysis, iPhone 8 might be in the market, right? Hence, what do? You need to chalk out, you need to craft a sampling frame from the population. You might say that, hey, in United States and United Kingdom alone, there are 90% of iPhone 6s users, maybe, right? So you would say that this is my sampling frame. I would only choose iPhone 6s users who are stationed in US and UK. On this sampling frame, you would apply this technique which is called as simple random sampling, SRS. And in statistics, this is the only technique that you have to abide with. Though there are other sampling techniques, this is the only technique that is de facto the gold standard for statistics. Simple random sampling. This is blindfolded. When I say blindfolded, you just close your eyes and pick up a sample from the sampling frame. Yeah, and then you analyze the sample. Whenever you analyze the sample and calculate or make a few calculations on sample, it is called as sample statistics. Right? Though you work on a sample, you make statements about the complete population. Say for example, you have chosen 10% of iPhone 6s users and you have performed a survey. Based on these 10% people, maybe majority of them are saying that the battery life of iPhone 6s is pathetic. Though you have sampled only 10% of people, when you make statement, you say that iPhone 6s users are not happy with the battery life. So you're making statements about population. Though you work on a sample, when you make statements, ultimate statements, you make statements about the complete population. And if you calculate any measures for your population, it is called as population parameters. Let me write it down. All right. Population parameters are always represented using Greek notations. For example, mean of population is calculated or denoted as mu, variance as sigma square, standard deviation as sigma, proportion as pi, so on and so forth. However, when it comes to sample statistics, average or mean is represented using x bar, variance using s square, standard deviation using s, and proportion using pi. I'll of course touch upon these. Yeah. Since this is in the shape of a funnel, from the population you drill down to come up with a sample, it's called as a sampling funnel. It is used extensively in your exit poll results also. Yeah, it's used in exit poll results also. All right.